Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Usemotion, Monday and Notion. Usemotion, Monday.com and Notion are all powerful productivity tools, but they serve different purposes depending on your workflow and needs. Usemotion is an AI-powered calendar and task manager designed mainly for individuals. It automatically schedules your tasks, meetings, and routines into your calendar, adjusting in real time based on changing priorities. For example, if you miss a task or a meeting is moved, Usemotion will automatically reorganize your schedule to keep you on track. It's perfect for freelancers, busy professionals, or students who want an automated and smart way to manage their time efficiently without manually planning every day. Monday.com is a project management platform meant for teams and businesses. It allows you to build custom workflows, assign tasks to team members, track project progress, and even automate repetitive actions. It has colorful boards and timelines that help keep everything organized visually. Whether you're managing a marketing campaign, a product launch, or internal team workflows, Monday.com provides the structure and collaboration features to support all of that. It's great for companies of all sizes that need to manage multiple people, departments, or tasks. Notion is an all-in-one productivity workspace that blends note-taking, project management, task tracking, database building, and collaboration in one tool. It doesn't have the smart scheduling of Usemotion or the workflow automation of Monday.com, but it gives you complete control over how you organize your work. You can create a personal wiki, manage to-do list, write documents, track progress, or even run a small team from one place. It's especially popular among students, writers, content creators, and smart teams who want something flexible and customizable. If you're looking for personal time management with AI support, Usemotion is ideal. If you're managing projects across a team and need structure and communication tools, Monday.com is a better fit. And if you want a single platform to organize ideas, documents, tasks, and team notes in your own way, Notion offers the most freedom and customization. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.